Hey guys, it's Dan here. I want to talk about putting fractions in simplest radical form. So consider a problem like this. 2 times, in parentheses, 48 over 3 raised to the negative 1/4 power. I want you to remember that anything raised to a negative exponent is 1 over that same thing raised to a positive exponent. So from here, I'm going to go to this step because 48 divided by 3 just happens to be 16. So that's the first step that I can take. Since it's divisible, I'll go ahead and do that. And now, because this is raised to the negative 1/4 power, notice the 2 gets written down, but this gets written down as 1 over 16 to the 1/4 power. That's the negative exponent rule. So anything raised to a negative exponent is actually 1 over the same thing, but raised to a positive exponent. So notice that step to that step. And of course, 2 times 1 is 2. And when you raise something to the 1/4 power, that is equivalent to taking the 4th root of it. So this becomes that. And the 4th root of 16 is just 2 because 2 to the 4th power is 16. So that becomes 2. So wow, it actually is just 1 when we simplify this all the way. So there's a couple things that we really need to be aware of. One is that, yeah, we can do that division. Number 2 is that's how you handle a negative exponent. And number 3, raising something to the 1/4 power is the equivalent of taking the 4th root of it. Raising something to the 1/3 power is equivalent to taking the cube root of something. And raising something to the 1/2 power is equivalent to taking the square root of something. So this actually simplified pretty nicely if you know those 2 or 3 special things. See ya.